Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Friday, March 9th, 2001, 8 am. The current communication technology is still in its infancy. It has a long way to go to reach the efficient stage of being an interplanetary relay station. It must improve its subtlety and put no more restrictive barriers on the grounds that only the earth would be inhabited. As we have already said, its level of evolution is at an early stage. Men have a high opinion of themselves. Scientists believe they are the only ones to possess the truth, whereas they still are at the level of kindergarten, no more, no less. The planets that they assume not to be inhabited have forms of life far different from their own, and the few lights from which they benefit from come from a beyond they cannot even imagine. Will it finally be necessary for a large number of those beings to come to Earth during trying and hopeless times for the inhabitants and get them out of a tragic situation so that in the end they became aware of their limitations? They will then have to align themselves with advanced knowledge and to reconsider all that they thought they had acquired. They will have to start all over again on sound basis, enlightened by this highly developed race, which, in spite of that, won't easily impose their views. Absolute necessity will have the force of law. Men, for their survival, will have to abide by it. Babuji. Saturday, March 10th, 2001, 10 am. Loving is your vocation. Don't look for anything else. You should be satisfied with providing that which the world misses the most. You are not the type of who makes grand gestures for all to see. You have your own place, an important one, which doesn't require what you are lacking. That is, the possibility of acting physically, humanly in the field. Serving means doing what one came for, whatever the direction chosen. Be delighted, my daughter, you know your place. Your life has reached its full blossoming. Keep on thanking as you constantly do by referring to the Guru of Gurus. He does not weary of hearing you. All the love he receives from beings populating this world and who turn to him, beseeching him and offering their service counterbalances the blackness of the world. This balance is important. It helps the world in its evolution. Love attracts love. May it always grow and transform humanity. This mission is imposing. You should contribute to it. The issue is not taboo, as some people believe even within our own mission. A human being does not advance in isolation. He takes his fellow creature with him. Make sure that this curve constantly evolves in the right direction and stretches towards infinity. Babuji.